to all of you. Thank you for celebrating with us in this special occasion. I remember my first week at ARE. I used to be shy and not so confident. I always tell my mommy that my classmates are all right. I am grateful that my parents, teachers, and classmates were very supportive. As I gained friends, I gained confidence too. We had lots of stories to tell when I get home. We can really learn by having fun. Here at DAE, we are family. I always tell my mommy that my classes are all right. I am grateful that my parents, teachers, and classmates were very supportive. As I gain friends, I gain confidence too. I have lots of stories to tell when I get home. We always play, sing, dance, laugh, and learn. Play, read, write, laugh, and learn. We always play, laugh, and learn. Oh, that's why it's ARE Play School. I'm glad my parents enrolled me here in my prep year. We had lots of fun activities that we will fully miss. Daddy joined us in our family fun day, even if we start from a night shift work. Mommy was with me in our theater trip, The Wizard of Oz. I even got an autograph from Glinda. Yay! My younger sister, Snow White, joined our Halloween party. We fed the fishes in our school trip. One of the most memorable for me is our Christmas presentation. Santa Baby is now one of my favorite songs. Santa Baby, we can really learn by having fun. Here at ARE, we are family. I always love to go to school even if I'm sick. But Teacher Reena will always say, Bea, you have to get some rest, okay? Get well soon too, and that will make me smile and make me feel better. Fellow graduates, we will now be moving on to a bigger school. Thank you, dear parents and guardians, for your love, unconditional love, support, and guidance. Thank you, teachers, for your love, patience, and hard work in preparing us for the next level. Most of all, thank you, God, for being so good all the time. God bless us all. Good job, everyone!
Thank you very much, Anna Bea.